Welcome to the Daily Drop Society with Jewl Hinton. Today, we're going to be discussing why doTERRA's On Guard essential oil is one of the most popular blends there is out there. If someone is on guard, they're on duty for protecting a particular place or person. And this is exactly what this oil does. It keeps your immune system on point so it can keep threats at bay that may come into your life. This is why this blend is known as the protective blend. Something really cool about essential oils is that they can actually work on a cellular level. So not only can they help with threats outside of the cells, but they're able to penetrate that lipophilic oily membrane on the outside of a cell to get inside and work on threats that may be inside of our cells. It's pretty cool, right? This blend helps support healthy immune and respiratory function, protects against environmental threats, and supports the body's natural antioxidant defenses. In this blend, you have wild orange, clove, cinnamon bark, eucalyptus leaf, and rosemary essential oils all in this blend. This blend has been a total game changer in our home during cold and flu season. We do everything we can in our home to keep a strong immune system, so when those threats come into our life, we're able to ward them off a little bit easier. We do this by doing things in our home like taking probiotics, making sure we get enough sleep, limiting the amount of sugar we eat, trying to eat healthy and organic foods, and using doTERRA essential oil On Guard blend. In our family, if we do get something, it's usually about 12 to 24 hours and we've been able to kick it from our system because we're working so hard beforehand to be proactive if that time comes. We're going to go over 7 uses of this essential oil that are my favorite way to use them at home. Because this blend is made to enhance a healthy immune system, we use this at home, a few drops with some fractionated coconut oil massaged into the bottoms of the feet and up the spine to help with a healthy immune response. I also love to diffuse this blend in a diffuser. Not only does it smell amazing because it smells like cinnamon and clove together, it's like Christmas all year round. But it actually helps cleanse the air and airborne pathogens that may be in your home. You can also add a few drops of On Guard essential oil into a spray bottle, shake it, and you can spray on surfaces for an all-natural surface cleaner. A lot of times germs are passed through things like our hands, shaking hands, touching doorknobs, so it's important to keep these areas cleansed and clean every single day. Speaking of shaking hands or being outside on the go, we live in this world, of course you're going to need to touch a doorknob to get into some place, but it doesn't mean that you have to be left with your guard down. You can take a few drops of doTERRA's On Guard blend with some fractionated coconut oil as a hand cleanser on the go. Emotionally, this oil is really great for warding off people's negative energy that may be coming after you. You can go ahead and put that on your chest, on your clothes, before you go to a big event or someplace that you know you want to make sure people keep their energy to themselves. You can also take this oil with some fractionated coconut oil and massage it into an area where you need to promote healthy circulation in your body. Add 1 or 2 drops to a shot of water, gargle it, and then swallow. Anytime you're feeling a scratchy throat coming on. The clove essential oil in this blend has a numbing effect. Now this blend is so popular that doTERRA has come out with a lot of different products that support this essential oil, from toothpaste to hand washing soaps to keep those hands clean, to throat drops when you're feeling a sore throat coming on. I hope that helped you guys know a little bit more about how to use On Guard essential oil. If there's a way you love to use it that I didn't mention in the video, leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you and how you're using this in your home to help keep your immune system strong this season. If you're looking for more uses on how to use essential oils, make sure you join our Facebook group, the Daily Drop Society, where every single day we're sharing tips on how to use the oils, how other people are using them in their home, and just creating a great healthy environment for everyday people to share their uses of how they use oils. Thanks for watching, you guys.